Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by assessing the chip size and depth to plan the repair. Remove loose enamel and rust using a wire brush and 120 grit sandpaper. Clean the area with household cleaner, rinse thoroughly, and dry with a towel. Protect surrounding surfaces with painter's tape and plastic sheeting to prevent mess. Wear gloves and a mask to avoid inhaling dust or epoxy fumes during work. If the chip exposes cast iron, apply a rust inhibitor and let it dry fully before filler. Mix a porcelain repair epoxy according to the kit instructions for the correct ratio. Apply the epoxy with a plastic spreader and build up to 1/4 inch maximum. Smooth the repair slightly overfilled to allow sanding. Let cure for 24 hours. Use a wooden stick to transfer mixed epoxy to the chip area without trapping air. Work quickly. Many epoxies set within 15 to 30 minutes depending on temperature. For deep chips, apply in layers, letting each layer reach tacky before adding more. Sand the cured filler with 120 grit, then finish with 400 grit for a smooth surface. Apply porcelain touch-up enamel by thin coats, waiting 2 hours between coats. Allow a full cure of 48 hours before returning the tub to regular use. Feather the repair edges with light sanding to blend repaired area into the surrounding glaze. Use enamel spray or small brush for touch-up depending on required finish and access. After final cure, clean gently and avoid harsh cleaners for 1 week to protect new enamel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.